Good afternoon. Welcome to my second internship report. And my name is Cindy, and now I am a year 3 student in SHMS Lausanne. My first internship is in the library in SHMS Hall, and which spent nearly 5 months. And during this internship, I've learned a lot. In the very beginning, we do the opening operation and to introduce the library and our facilities and how our library work and our job description for every student and every class to make sure they know everything. And we also have the iPad distribution, which is to give the iPad to the new students and to let them know how to set up the new iPad with the SHMS Apple Store and to download everything for their further learning and for their further classes or something. And in the very beginning of this internship, this is really challenge for me because I've never do the job in the library before, as I just told in the very beginning. But with Mr. Roth, who just lead us step by step, and he shows us everything how to use our library system and how to organize every books and how to know the class marks and also how to input the different kind of books, magazines, CDs, and also some to reprint the articles for different students. So with Mr. Roth, we learn everything properly and we do things fluently in the future. And so with Mr. Roth's help, we do everything. After a week, me and my colleague Ray, we do the different process by ourselves. We just input everything single articles and by ourselves. Even Mr. Roth is not here. And our daily job is to reorganize the books, and because the students, they will re-put the single books. We have to reorder them, and we have to make sure the library is clean every day, and make sure to close the light, and because in case some damage things. And during our internship, we just know how to use the different kind of software like Excel, Word, and some Biblimaker is for the research engine for students to research the different books and different articles, and also the website, which is really useful for their further report. And during before this internship, actually, I don't know how to use this kind of software fluently, but after this internship and after this 5 months for using different kind of software, now I can use this kind of things fluently, and I know how to use the computer to make everything properly. So I think this is really strength for me, and also it's really good for my future. During our internship, we also has to meet different kind of the outside guests that come for visit our SHMS school call. And to be a supervisor, our job is also include to introduce our library to the different guests. They're from America, Australia, or some Canada. The guests, we have to introduce them, and also we have some Chinese guests. They come to our school, and also because I'm from China and I can speak Cantonese and Chinese, so we can just introduce our library in different language fluently, and to make sure the parents, they know everything and every details about our school. So I think it's really good opportunity for me to introduce myself and our school and our facilities to the different guests. And as a trainee in SHMS, our job is not only focused on our library, and we do need to help for the different other apartment, for example, the first season and or the welcome party, the graduation party, and for the we also help for the operation team to make sure they can work properly and they can work without students, and also to finish everything really fast. And we just here to support them and to help them to make sure we can share some stuff and do something for them. So from this internship, from the helping for other department, as I mentioned before, I think I improved not only the software skills and also improve for the service, and we do help for the housekeeping for about 2 weeks, and to know everything in our school and how to run everything, and also because I've worked with the housekeeping team, and which they never speak English, So for me, from this kind of experience, it's really improved my French and also improved my my cleaning skills and my well-organized skills. So for helping the operation team, it also helped me to improve my communication skills, because we have to communicate with different students, like their parents, or with the outside guests, and also with our team. So the communication skills is really improved a lot during this internship. And for my work in the library, my well-organized the skills is really improved, because we have to reorganize everything in the library, like the books, the magazines, and also we have to make sure everything is okay and make everything is safe in the library. So which is really improved me a lot during this internship. And during our internship, we usually have some different meeting with Mr. Roth to to discuss for how to improve our library and how to improve our system for its better use for the students, and the student, they know how to use everything by themselves. So we have 1 or 2 meeting per week like this. And during our internship, we still need to look for the Amazon for different kind of books, which is really useful for the students, and we just buy it from the Amazon, and we just copy the website and send it to Mr. Roth, and which really, from this kind of experience, which is really increased my my searching skills, because we have to find just 1 or 2 books from that huge amount of different kind of categories. And last but not least, in our library internship, we do have to finish our daily report. For example, the daily diary, we have to write down every single thing, like what we do during the day, and what we support for the students, and we support for the user, and how we categorize for the books, catalog the good books, everything. We have to put it in the system and to let Mr. Roth know everything properly, like what we do every day. And we do have to finish the daily check. We have to check for the chairs, the tables, every electronic devices, for example, the computers, and we have also the network and the different lights, everything. We have to check it to make sure they're all working, or working during the day, or they all shut down after our finish our work. So we have to make sure everything and put it into the system, and to check everything every day and to make everything properly. And last but not least, I would like to show you my life in Lausanne, and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you.